You keep forgetting me out.
January 6th, 2016. We're at Conwy again. There's Alan, he's forgot some already. Is that the best you can do for a hat? Oh wait, that is the captain's hat. That's the skipper's hat. Alright, skipper. How are you doing, skipper? This is a skipper. Look how sunny it is.
On the 6th of January.
I'll take you for a walk along the boats again. See if out news arrived. There's one for sale. One of the sea legs has gone through the side of it. See that one still here? Let's party. I don't think we're doing much partying on that one. Open to offers. Hey there, can we have some dancing? Can you have you in the line? Come on. Is that it? It's a bit, what about you? Can you dance?
No.
Look, you can see with that sun. I'll get you from here.
He's on his way with the launch anyway.
Is it? Happy Don?
Yes. Present.
Happy Alan? And Happy Alan? And good looking Pete as always.
What are we doing anyway then? We're not going out then?
Too late.
Is it? Yeah, it's a lovely day.
What a lovely day.
Actually, there's not much wind, is there?
What's this routine with these three geriatrics getting on here? Watch out, Alan. You know how dodgy you are.
It's turned out to be a lovely morning, hasn't it?
Turned out nice again, hasn't it? You're not going to see you two with that sun, so
Good. That's really sure these boats been lined up, we've been all this lot, hasn't it? Looks.
aloe vera. Oh, it was a toilet roll. Athena's still there. Yours is still there.
Check it out, make sure put it full of fucking moss.
Hey? Yeah, today we will. Can't see. I can't see it either. I hope it's lying down the other side, trapped. But it's quite big, them wires on it. There's Alan's boat. Looks like it's got a lot of water in that. It looks low. Have you got Wellingtons on? Have you got any Wellingtons on, Alan? Yeah. That's Alan's boat. What's it called, your boat? Pop it 2. Oh, right.
Changing it to Morning Star and changing the name to Morning Star.
Right.
Where are you?
We're going that one, 3 of us. In front, 2 in front. You don't think we go on this, would you?
Hey.
You don't slum it now.
Where do you reckon he's in where he said
Hey? See that building? Yeah, that camera there. Well, yeah, right in front of it. Tide's certainly going out, isn't it? Do you know what you're doing, Don? Don, do you actually know what you're doing? Does Alan know what he's doing? Alan? Do you know what you're doing, Alan?
No.
I actually don't think they know what they're doing. Pair of them. As you can hear, the engine's running. Is it quiet?
Yeah.
Which one was that one? Oh, that's the one with the blood. As you can see, there's blood all over the boat. That's John's blood.
My blood.
Oh look. Oh. Let's have a look. Look. Oh. Yeah?
You passing that?
What do you want me to do with that?
Well, you can put it in there if you want.
And exactly what are you doing?
Do you want to tighten that brake up on that side?
Yeah, I've done, yeah.
Are you? Are you sure?
Yeah, the only thing you can do really is
Skipper!
take it along and let it bubble up and see this way. And then take it from there.
That'll be a day out for us. Hey? How about it next week? Hey?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Captain? Speak to me, Captain.
Because it costs hundreds to just do that, and it doesn't